Hello everyone and welcome on this new late week analysis on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. The channel name here is Xtreme Gold Signals, and you can just simply find the link in the description below of this video to receive a lot of updates from me personally, such as this one right here, our warning or alert about the core CPI news, and also right here my last gold signal which I have sent recently last Monday actually was going in a very good profit, and actually I have advised my followers here to strongly close it right now in profit to avoid any unexpected movements from the gold. So here is of course our recent signal, as you can see right here. So thankfully it was really a good one. As you can see, it was ranging in the safe zone, but however right now running in our favor. So as you can see right now, the gold signal actually running in around 276 pips in our favor. So overall it was indeed a good signal. So now what we can do next with the gold, that's the big question. First of all, I would like to delete the old signal, and most likely my friends, we cannot continue selling the gold. Most likely the gold will continue the rise right now. But why am I saying that? Because first of all, based on the 4-hour time frame, we actually have right here what we can call like a flag pattern. As we can see right now, the market actually here has created here a channel. So by just simply draw here the support trend line from this low right here to this low and this low right here, what we can do next is simply copy the same line right here, and as we can see by now, we can actually see that we have here a channel being born right before our eyes. So therefore right now we can actually expect from the gold to continue the rise to reach the edge of the resistance trend line. Not to mention of course that the current price action of the last 2 4-hour candles is actually a good sign that the market right now is getting ready for the continuation of the bullish movement. That being said, I believe that the gold will continue the rise from this point onward. Let's now move to the 1-hour time frame. So right now, based on the 4-hour time frame, we can see here clearly that we had also a strong key level of a support exactly at 3620. And as you can see, the market has already reversed right from this area. Right now, remarkably, what we have right here is a real level of a support plus, of course, a fake breakout. Therefore, I believe that the gold most likely will be actually good to be bought exactly right at this level. But we need actually more confirmation of that. If we look right now at the recent structure that we have right here on the gold, actually, if we draw the Fibonacci from this low right here to this high, pay attention. As you can see, the market actually has been struggling to make a bullish breakout from 23.6. However, right now we can notice that our entry is very close to 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. That being said, and for the safety of the members, I would like to send my signal to be buying exactly right there, just a little bit above 61.8. And if I move right now to the 30-minute time frame, however, we can notice here clearly that we had also 2 fake breakouts from this level. Meanwhile, here we had, of course, a real level of a support. So that being said, I would recommend to consider buying the gold exactly at 3218. And if we buy from this area, and of course, since we are talking about just a 1-day signal because it's late Thursday, so therefore the safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging much lower than the previous level, or actually higher than the previous level of a resistance right there exactly at 3601, which means our safe zone will be ranging for just 160 pips. However, the TP in this case will actually be ranging till the market reach the strongest key level of a resistance, lies exactly right here, as we can see, where the rejection happened multiple times at 3646, which means we're actually gonna be aiming around 280 pips in our favor against 160 pips of a safe zone. Let me know please write this signal for you. Another reason to believe that we can actually buy exactly at 3618 is by simply looking at the 4-hour time frame. And by the way, we can see right here, guys, a key level of a resistance, number 1, number 2, and as you can see right here, the same level of a key resistance trend line. Right here after the bullish breakout happened, it became a support trend line number 1. So therefore, we can actually expect from the gold to be ranging right here, and it might actually go a little bit in the drawdown to reach the support trend line. So please consider this if you guys decided to take this signal. But honestly speaking, I believe the gold will continue the rise instantly to reach our TP. However, we have to be very careful trading the gold nowadays. It's just really so risky. This signal might fail, and don't please go full margin or big lot sizes on the free signals that you are receiving on YouTube, especially on gold, because again guys, gold nowadays is very hard to predict and no one knows what will gonna happen. So far from my point of view, from fundamental view as well, I don't see any reason for the gold to crash and go down below 361.8. However, we still have to be more realistic and consider that trading gold again is very risky. So please consider that this signal might fail. So please make sure that your stop loss is an amount that you can actually afford to lose. And remember, as a trader, you are also an investor. So meaning, if you guys decided to take this trade, you're actually investing your money in this trade. So make sure that your stop loss is the amount that you are willing to invest in this trade, hoping of course to have a good benefit from this signal. In the end, my friends, I wish everyone a happy weekend in advance. And in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.